external CSS folder, copy the icons and images, and keep under the external CSS folder. Sorry, import CSS folder. Copy the icons and images. Copy the icons and images from the external and paste under the import. Copy from the external and paste under the import. Copy from external and paste under the import. Paste under the import. Right, under the import CSS, we'll create one file. Under the import CSS, we'll create one file, a style.css, and we'll create one more file, home.html, and style.css. Home.html and style.css. Two file is created, home.css and style.css and home.html. Okay, ready. After this HTML, we can start here. Follow the head section. Follow the style section. Follow the body section. Under the style, you have to write @import space URL. Inside you have to pass style.css. This is called as a import CSS. This is called as a import CSS. This is called import CSS. Okay, we have follow @import space URL. There we follow style.css using import method. We are calling a file called style.css. Come down to the body. Follow inside again. UL. But UL, how you will follow? Hold on. We can write a nav tag. Nav tag. Under the nav tag, we follow the a tag. Two nav tag will follow. Both the nav tag will be the part of header. Both the nav will be the part of header. Both the nav will be the part of header. Keep nav two times. First nav, you give ID equal to navigation or maybe left nav, and in the second one we can give ID equal to right nav, right nav. Left nav EHREF equal to something we can write here I class equal to FA hyphen home. We can write here as a home. Home technologies, technologies, users, investors, investors. In the second, you will keep two links. One will be login, next will be for register. Now technology in the sense desktop, users meaning users only, investors meaning suitcase. Login represented by lock, LOCK. Register represented by user hyphen plus. Just add this. We will create the one navigation in the left side of the screen, another navigation in the right side of the screen. That we are trying to create. Okay, hope written. Left navigation, right navigation. You can let me know once complete. From there I can move quickly. Now go to this file. Okay, we have to import that also. Import icon slash css slash all.css. Icon css all.css. Icon css all.css. In the css file, the style.css file, we have to write the code. Okay, so we'll go to the style.css file. First, we'll write the CSS for header. So for body tag, you can keep margin 0 px. For body tag, you can write margin 0 px. After that, you can write some CSS for header, background, blue color, dark blue color, padding 18 pixel, text align, no need to add, padding 18 pixel, okay, hold on, 18 pixel top and bottom, and 10% from left to right, 18 pixel, 18 percentage from the bottom as well. Okay, background is okay. Next we have for left nav. Left nav will be in the left side. As left nav, float left, and has right nav as a float right. Right nav, float right. One will appear in the left side, one will appear in the right side. And if now HTML page, how that look? But any, okay. Now overall we have to write under the NFE, there is the E tag. The color of E tag should be white color. Color should be white and then font hyphen weight should be bold. Color white, font weight bold. Text decoration none. No any underline. There should not be any kind of underline. Text decoration none. Okay, I will run the home file and we'll see what is going to come. Are we getting any kind of navigation? Left, right block or not? This is left and that is right. But why this becomes so much of height? We need to check the code. Padding 18% I have written here. Should be 18px. 18px. This here now. So, oh, become little difference. Why it is 10%, 18 pixel here? Okay, because under the nav also we have to give the padding. No problem. We can write the nav tag here. For nav tag also we can write padding similar 18px. Then it will be okay. Then it will be okay, but it's gone somewhere. It's gone somewhere. Why that is? Plot left, plot right I have written. It's okay. Padding is required only one place. But navigation look like padding is not needed. Cross check once. This is full. But in that the second one should be float right. FLOAT right. One should come in left side. One should be in the right side. Now switch happen. One in the left, one in the right. Okay, so please add this much. This is the code. Check one by one. I will share also in the chat. Then we can go next. Okay, ready? Something like this, left and right. Now there should be some gap between the menus. So for that, we will write here margin hyphen left somewhere 30 px. So each li a tag will have 30 pixel gap from other a. See, gap got increased. This is in the left side, this is in the right side. Let's check this much. Below will not have anything. Let me know also, looking similar for you or something else. Okay, so hope we are getting the menus like this or something else. Next, we can write some effect on that. 18 pixel we have written here. I think we can make to 20 pixel. It will look more better. 20. No, say something no at least. Okay, so height got increased. Write a CSS here. Nav of A. Inside the nav, there is a tag colon over. When the mouse will move on A tag, color should convert into orange color. Color should convert into orange color. So once we move the mouse, see color changing. This becomes a splitted navigation, left side and right side. Now come to the HTML again. In HTML, we will create two blocks. One section in the left side and one section in the right side. After header, create a section tag. In the section tag, ID will be container. Container. It will have two division. One division ID equal to service and another division ID equal to updates. Create a section ID and updates. So ready. Now come on to the service block. Right here H3 or maybe H1, H2 we can write our services. In updates we can write H2 upcoming events. Two block, one block in the left, another block in the right. We have to write the CSS for that. Report from Okay, written. Now after that, let's come to the CSS. We'll write the CSS for container. Container has container give padding from top somewhere 50 px, left right 10%, bottom also 50 px, background color is not required. Then you can give the container is ready. Okay. Next, after that, we have two more container, service and updates. Service that is called float left width, float left width 60. First keep margin right 2% and width 68%, 8%. Similar way, updates float right, margin left 2%, width 28%. This is two section you got. One section in the left and one section in the right. Hello. हाँ, कहाँ पे है सर? नहीं नहीं होता है। माराथनी ब्रिज यहाँ पे है ना, माराथनी ब्रिज। माराथनी ब्रिज आपको उधर उधर आगे माराथनी ब्रिज क्या है? मैं एक दूसरा लोगो देता हूँ आपको, ठीक है? written. Sit now. One will come in the left side, another will come in the right side. Okay, hope ready. Now come to the code. Go to the first block using the article tag. Using article tag, we can some display. We can display some text. Same article, we can copy and paste twice thrice. Copy the same article, paste again. We can paste again. Software, marketing services, education services. Okay, check now. You will see the sections will come in left side. This is not going to cover the right side. Now come to the next page, CSS part. We can write some CSS. चलो छोटू तू वो थोड़ा बिना दिमाग के काम कर लिया We'll come to the CSS file. We'll write here one article. Now for article, you will write the some kind of margin in the bottom. Margin bottom 15 px or maybe 20 px. Margin bottom. After that, because where in the building? You are outside. I wanted the location of the place actually. Yeah, no problem. Here written margin bottom how much 20 px. It look like this. Little more gap will get applied. Will not happen. Why? Margin bottom 20. Let me convert 40. Y space not applied. Applied now. 40 pixel is okay. Next, inside the article, there is H3. So we can write article of H3 should be in the color of orange color as well as orange color as well as it should be little big font size nearly 28 pixel, will be more 25 pixel is okay. After that it should be underline also, text hyphen decoration underline, underline, text decoration underline, not happen, something wrong. H3 or H4 what we have follow? We follow the H4. It should be H4. Instead of H3 it should be H4. Now for this H4 color plus this will get applied. Okay. Next after that, yeah, underline look not good. We can remove underline. We can write here when the article will get the mouse, article colon hover will happen, then next after that we can write here called box shadow box shadow 0 px 0 px 5 px gray color. Okay, when the mouse will go, then box shadow will be changing, and then along with that what should happen, cursor should be pointer also, cursor should be pointer also, so that it will feel like it's ready to click. Look like ready to click. Next after that you can see here it's removed. Oh, but padding is not there. Without padding it look like something different. Okay, without padding it looks something different. So under the this one we can apply the padding also, padding somewhere 15 px. Then here border radius we can apply, border hyphen radius we can apply somewhere 7-8 px. Border radius we can apply for 7-8 pixel. Border radius we can apply 7-8 pixel. Hope ready. Check now when the mouse will move, something will get applied, but padding become more padding. That is another problem. Padding is okay, but it's become little more padding. So padding top bottom will not give, will give left right only. Padding we are given 15 pixels. So 0 px we can give top, left right 15 px, and again 0 px in the bottom. So this way it will help you like padding from top will be 0 pixel, bottom also 0 pixel, left right there will be 15 pixel. It will look proper well aligned. Proper well aligned. Okay, hope ready. So from top to bottom you will have no gap. The gap will be only from the left right. This is okay. Now in the right hand side, the content we have upcoming event, we can add a moving block. We can add some text there will be scrolling, kind of using marquee tag. So let's come to the hope CSS you added. CSS of we have added sequence. Next after that, in the right hand side this section, the text should be a scrolling text. But here you when you move the mouse, it's look like odd, no? See here, it's looking like, see, it should be color should get changed is okay, but this border kind of things it's looking little odd only. No problem. We can modify here. Instead of changing that, we can change the color. Color box shadow instead of reflection. Change the color to some different color, as a maybe orange color. All then it will look better. So now color will get changed. Will be okay. Everywhere, wherever it will go, color will change to orange color. So that is okay, no problem. So this way you can divide the menu into sub-menu, left and right. Now come to the right side block. We can add there one marquee tag. Marquee tag. Inside we can add a 2-3 paragraph. In one paragraph, 2 lines. In next paragraph, some line. Something like this. Direction equal to down. So it should go top to bottom. And ID equal to something info. We can write some CSS for that as well. ID equal to info. We can write some CSS for that as well. So ready? Let's come to the browser, see how that looks. Info section will be scrolling down, but it will end here only. We want it should scroll till little bit. So it ended here only. There should be one kind of mark in that it should scroll. There should be one mark in that it should scroll. So we can go there and we can write the ID, info, and there we can do something. Ready? So we can write the CSS for info block. Let's go here. As info. Height of that. Height of that you can give somewhere 300 pixel. Then padding of that 15 pixel. Box shadow. Box shadow 0px 0px, or maybe instead of box shadow write border 5 pixel, double, or instead of double inset orange color, border hyphen radius 4 px. Okay, ready? Let us check now. It should look like this. Golden color inset is coming. You have one property using that you can make up down. Or this is also not bad, it's a good only. Color combination we can change a little. Color maybe blue color. Font weight maybe bold. Text shadow. Text shadow from top 0px 10px or maybe 5px. Red color 0px again here, 0px, then red color, 0px red color. Oh, it's shadow become different thing. So 0px, let me convert into this also is a 5 pixel. Anything is happening? Not happening. Very good. Increase the font size. Font size you can increase. Font icon size to 25px or 18px. 20px is also okay. In that anything happening, font shadow is more. Maybe 1px and 1px. It properly Okay, now shadow is nowhere much shadow, little shadow. Try this. Okay, hope written. Now come after this. We need to have one footer section in the last. Footer. We have to write one CSS clear block. We have to write inside BLOCK clear colon both. Clear colon both. Next we will add a footer tag. Footer tag will be margin top 50 pixel. Adding oh, padding 15 px. Background is a blue color. Color is white. Text align as a center. Height 120 pixels somewhere. It will become as a footer section. It will become as a footer section. Okay, ready? Now come to the HTML. This footer and this both have its value. Let me go to the HTML. Within the section tag, you have to write the division ID equal to clear block. CL clear block. Next, after that, because float left we have written on the top, So clear block is required, else overlapping will happen. Footer block will get overlap. Footer you will open close. You will write inside a paragraph. This is some company name you can write. First inquiry, digital media, in the last footer. So footer will have some. Check now how is the footer. Footer is in the last. Header you have in the two column on the top. Left block is here. Right block is here. So this become another template. This become another template. Okay, hope ready. Shall I share the file? Just both file, HTML and CSS. Working for both. Just now we will create one more design tomorrow, different type of template that will be based on this one. When you go scroll up, after some time, this navigation will be sticky. As of now, navigation is going up. We can make navigation fixed and then we'll make more better. Some practice is required from your side. Template designing is a kind of art. Okay, designing the template is a kind of art. So as much as we spend the time, we'll get more idea. So I suggest you need to spend some extra time. Okay, then we'll see you tomorrow. We'll log out now.